It's Amazon Prime Day, and you know what that means. Time to grab all the Dollhouse miniatures you've been eyeing at a serious discount. From dollhouse kits to miniatures to Halloween and Christmas decor, I've got you covered with the best 25 deals you don't want to miss. All right, let's start with the big one, Roll Life Dollhouse Kits. These are some of my absolute favorites because they are beautifully detailed, come with everything that you need, and make the perfect gift for mini lovers or DIY fans. Right now, several of their kits are up to 30% off for Prime Day. This listing that I am sharing has many different kits available, like this flower shop, this little cafe, or a bookstore. There's many to choose from, and the discount is on every one of these listings. Also, I posted links to everything that I'm sharing down below in the description. The second listing that I'm sharing is also from Roll Life, and it's their miniature greenhouse kit. I have personally made this one and absolutely love it. It's normally over $40 and it's currently 20% off. The instructions on this one were also pretty easy to follow. I would say from a difficulty standpoint, this kit is about a medium. So if you've made other kits before, this should be pretty easy for you. The third deal that I found is this botanical dollhouse kit. This one, you make an entire dollhouse. It looks like it has 5 individual rooms. It comes with all the furniture, although I think you do have to make all of the furniture individually. It is currently 15% off. It's normally over $40 and currently $38. Deal number 4 is this miniature tea house kit. I like this one because it kind of looks like a greenhouse, but it's a miniature tea shop slash cafe. It comes with all the little pastries and teas and everything that you need to be able to make this. This listing does have other options. They have many different shops to choose from. So if you don't want the tea house, you can maybe get a miniature bakery. I personally did buy this tea house. I think it is so cute. I currently have a lot of kits that I need to make, so I will be posting some of the kits that I make to this channel. So be sure to subscribe to see those. Prime Day deal number 5 is this miniature outdoor patio kit. I like this one because it's a lot smaller, and that means it's going to be a lot faster and easier to make. And I also like the price point. It is currently $11.99 and 20% off from the original price. These smaller kits are really great for beginners, and I do have an entire video on which dollhouse kits are the best for beginner level. This listing does have other options if you don't want that outdoor patio kit. All these kits in this listing are fairly small and easy to make. Moving on to the next category, which is dollhouse miniatures and accessories, I found this 12-piece flower pot kit for only $7.99. Originally, it's $10, and I like this one because you get a nice large variety of different pots and colors of flowers. Deal number 7 is this 80-piece mini food and drink lot. It has a sale price of $7.99. It's currently 20% off. These sets are nice because they come with such a large variety of items. I have personally bought sets like these before. One thing that I will say is sometimes the sizing of the food can be a little bit off. Some things can be a little bit larger than the scale that you are working in, but at least you have a large variety of items to choose from. Deal number 8 is this 150-piece miniature book set for only $5.99. And it features covers of real books. I don't believe that these books actually open. I think that there's just a wood piece or like a piece of foam, and then they just glued on the cover. But overall, I think they look really nice and would look really great on a miniature bookshelf or a miniature desk. Deal number 9 is this classic miniature lamp. It does actually light up, which is great because I love adding some warmth to a dollhouse. It looks like it is on a wire. It's not battery operated. I usually do prefer battery operated lights, but if you do plan on wiring your entire dollhouse, this one is a really great option. Deal number 10 is this brown houndstooth sofa, and it would look perfect in a miniature living room. I do really like that houndstooth pattern. It is very unique and for only $23.99. Deal number 11 is this miniature cabinet for $11.99. I like that it comes in natural wood. It's unpainted, so you could paint it any color that you want, and that way it can match the room that you place it in. It is a great option to fill up space on an empty wall. That's something I struggle with in my doll houses is what to do with the walls. But there's many uses for it. You could add it into a miniature kitchen, or they also show that you can have a miniature witch cabinet from it as well. Deal number 12 is this miniature bookshelf for $15.90. I like that the shelves are fairly big and wide so you could fill them up with books, plants, and different kinds of miniature decorations. It looks like the drawers at the bottom open up too, which is a really nice detail. And I believe it comes in many colors, so you can match it to whatever room that you place it in. Deal number 13 is this set of floral sofa chairs for $17.59. And these are very cute. I believe they're made from real fabric. I like the ruffles at the bottom, and they come with very plushy looking pillows. So they can add a lot of warmth and make your miniature dollhouse look very comfy. Deal number 14 is another furniture set. This one is a little bit more pricey. It is $33.59, but it comes with everything that you need to furnish a dollhouse bedroom. It comes with a bed, two nightstands, a wardrobe, a mirror, a rocking chair, and a rug. So that is a really great deal. If you wanted to buy all those items individually, it would be a lot more expensive. This set comes in the color white, and there is also a brown option too. Moving on to the next category, which is dollhouse building components, we have a wooden window, and it is on sale for $6.39. These are great if you're building a dollhouse from scratch or want to replace the dollhouse windows that come in dollhouse kits. Deal number 16 is a solid wood door for $11.99. And what's nice about this door is it actually opens and closes. I like adding functional details to my dollhouses to make them as realistic as possible. Now we're getting a little spooky into the Halloween category. I found this miniature fireplace that actually lights up. This would be really great for a miniature witch's house or just to add a spooky element into your dollhouse. Deal number 18 is this 25-piece Halloween set for $7.19. This one has a lot of witchy elements with hats, cauldrons, spiders, a cat, and a witch's broom. It looks like most of the items are made from plastic except for the broom, which looks like it has real bristles, which is a really nice detail. Deal number 19 is another Halloween set. This one is different than the one I previously showed. A lot of the elements are very different, and this one is $7.10. A lot of the objects look like they're made from different materials, not just plastic. They look like they're made from wood, metal, as well as glass. Moving on to our last category, Christmas. This next item is from Roll Life. We love Roll Life on this channel. We love the kits. This one is a Christmas picture frame kit. So you make a miniature Christmas scene that then you can display in this frame. This is something really nice to make for Christmas and display every year, or you can make it and give it to someone as a Christmas gift. This kit does have a variety of kits that you can make. There's one with a white frame, a red frame, and I believe a gingerbread house, and they all look like they are on sale. Deal number 21 is a strand of miniature Christmas lights. You can use these to wrap around a miniature Christmas tree or on the outside of a dollhouse. Deal number 22 is a 55-piece Christmas set for $13.99. That is an amazing deal. You get so many items for that price. This kit does have a lot going on. It looks like you get the door, the wreath, miniature trees, Santa boots, a fence, candy canes, a ladder, a window. There's a lot going on here, so this one is really fun. Deal number 23 is a 50-piece set of miniature gifts and presents. I love a good variety pack. This one comes in many different shapes and colors. I believe the presents are made from resin and they are just painted in different colors. Deal number 24 is a 56-piece set of Christmas trees. We have another variety pack. I love variety packs because you get the best deal for your money. This set, the trees come in many different sizes. There's also a few wreaths and miniature wrapped gifts. Deal number 25 is a light up fireplace for Christmas. It has that staying home for the holidays feel to it with the stockings and the wreath above it, and it can really make your miniature scene come together for the holidays. Those are all the best deals that I was able to find for Amazon's Prime Day sale. Let me know down below in the comments which was your favorite and if you ended up buying anything. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.